All right, what's going on, everyone? Welcome. Yeah, we're talking about wholesale real estate for beginners. This is going to be a master class. Make sure you grab a pen. Make sure you grab a paper. Maybe not, but you could open your notepad, wherever it is that you use these days, to make sure you're taking a lot of notes. But either way, this is going to be available for you, so you can always reference back to it. This is a training class, so take notes. Again, like I said, we're going to cover quite a bit of information very quickly. We're not going to waste too much time. If you're here and you're brand new for the first time here. My name is Ola. I'm the author of these two books, Smart Real Estate Wholesaling and Real Estate Money Secrets, which you can download absolutely for free at smartrealestatewholesaling.com. But we're here right now because I just feel like the horizons of wholesaling real estate, finding motivated sellers, cash buyers, trying to make money from home is changing every single day. More than ever before, you have to really be thinking digital. You can't afford to waste time on strategies that will eat up time, because that asset class right there is becoming much more and more valuable. And if you don't believe me, just look at how much you make if you go find a regular job per hour, right? Could you do better than that in real estate? If you can't, then you're wasting time and you can't get time back. You can get money back, but you can't get time back. But before I dive any way too far into this, without any further ado, please welcome my friend Button. What's up, Button?
How you doing, man? Thank you so much for having me, Ola.
Awesome, good. So Button is gonna dive in with us today. We're gonna cover quite a bit of stuff. There are 5 steps. There are 5 steps to real estate wholesaling. It's very, very simple. If you haven't seen me cover it in this class, I've covered it before. You can see right there is data, contact, leads, contract, and deals. Data, contact, leads, contract, and deals. Okay, now in any business, if you understand how any business works, there are literally 3 core pillars that I covered in the book. 3 core pillars. There's people. That's the most important part of it. There's no people, no money. Money only comes from one place, from people. Okay, that's it. Money only comes from one place, and that's from people. Now, the first core pillar is literally value. You have to bring value to people. If you're not bringing value to the world, you don't get paid. It's really, really that simple. And you don't get to determine what's value. The other person gets to determine what's value. The people you're serving gets to determine what's valuable to them. And the second core pillar in between that is the media, the medium, and in 2000 and digital, it has to be automated as much as possible. You cannot afford to say, oh yeah, I want to do things manually. But you don't get to do that because you're in a marketplace. You're in a marketplace, and your competition gets to outpace you for every time you think that way. And guess what? It's so easy these days. Anyone can grab a smartphone and you're going to learn all about that here today, where you can literally get a complete deal done right from your smartphone. You don't have to overthink this. Okay. All right. So, and that's what we wanted to cover here today. Again, you have the 5 stages right there, and we're going to cover that step by step for you here today. You can go ahead and share your screen with me button. Just click on share screen, and then I'll bring that onto the screen. And we're going to share with you, and personally, from my personal opinion, the best software in the whole entire world to do this. If you're trying to flip United States real estate, which you can do from anywhere, by the way, we can access the software from anywhere in the world, correct?
Nationally in the U.S., yes, correct.
Okay, so let me get this straight. Even the data is United States, but can you access the software web-based from anywhere, or is blocked?
It's blocked in certain markets. So some markets are available. If you have any questions about that, just call our customer support. We'll definitely let you know which markets are available or not.
All right, so that's good to know right there. But are you still with me? Kind of froze right there.
Yeah, I'm still here.
All right. So while we're waiting for him, I think it froze right there for a second. Let's just make sure. Are you there with me? You still with me?
Yeah. Can you hear me? I'm still here.
All right, good. So again, like I was saying, while we wait for him to come back on, there are 5 stages to. Are you back?
Yeah, I'm back. Can you hear me?
All right, good. I can hear you. Yes. There are 5 stages. There is deal. Let me just show you. There's data, sorry. All right. There's data. There is contact. Okay. Data is basically all the list you need in the world. Over 100 million of data, property data that you have access to. This game is about people, I told you, but there are two different types of people that we deal with in wholesaling. That's motivated sellers and that's cash buyers. And we're going to cover all of that. Without taking care of those people, you're not going to get paid. And it's the easiest thing to take care of them. I'm going to give you 5 questions that you really need to ask motivated sellers. And there's only one thing you need to take care of the cash buyers. You take care of them, you're bringing value to the people. And with the software we're going to share with you today, you take care of the middle core pillar right there, which is automated medium. Okay, automated medium. We're going to cover that in details in this class. Do you have anything to add on to that before we jump directly into class number 2? Because right there we just covered class number 1. There are 5 stages. There are 3 core pillars. Okay, to this game. Don't overthink it. Anything you wanted to add on to that real quick, bud?
No, just simply be patient. Don't try to set expectations you can't reach. Just be patient. Remember, you're dealing with someone on the other end, so just be patient and always be coming at a service standpoint.
Awesome. Yeah, if you have any questions, drop them into the comment. We'll answer them at the very end to make sure we cover all the materials that actually may be answered during the course of this session.